Chapter 1. Setting up your company and project information. To log on to SmartWaste Canada, you must first go to www.smartwastecanada.com. The client login is in the top right corner. The first time you log in, you will be taken to the registration page. You'll need to enter some basic information to set up your company account. Enter your company name. Our test company name is Green Builder 2012. The type of company, the size of your company, the company phone number, and the fax number. Next, enter your company's address, include the town, postal code, country, and province. Then enter your email address, confirm your email address, and then enter your website. And finally, include your contact name, starting with your first name, your surname, then select a username, and create a password. You'll need to confirm your password. To complete the registration, you'll be asked if you're on board for Mission 2030. Mission 2030 is to eliminate all construction weight by the year 2030. You'll also be asked to check a box if you're interested in receiving promotional information and product updates from SmartWaste Canada. And then finally, you'll be asked to read and agree to our terms and conditions. Then hit Submit at the bottom of the page. Oops, our passwords don't match. We'll have to re-enter our password. When you hit Submit at the bottom of the registration page, the SmartWaste Canada tool will take you to the Company homepage. You're now on the Company homepage. Not sure what happens with this screen? Well, if you need to update your company details, you will find Edit Company Details under the Company menu. Select this option to change any of the information you entered when registering the company. And don't forget to save your changes. SmartWaste Canada Plan Toolbar. The toolbar appears at the top of every page and can be used to navigate around your account using the drop-down Company menu and Project menu options. The drop-down menu options under Company menu are Company Home, Add or Edit Waste Management Contractors, Add or Edit Subcontractors, Add or Edit Users, and Edit Company Details. On the toolbar, you'll also see the Logout button. You should use this Logout button on SmartWaste Canada's site when you're finished using the tool. The toolbar also includes the SmartWaste Canada help link. This will take you to the SmartWaste Canada user guide, which is a PDF document. It includes helpful information, instructions, useful tips, and answers to the most commonly asked questions. Different users will have different levels of access to the SmartWaste Canada planning tool, depending on their role in your organization. Company Administrator. This person will be able to enter information and access all fields in the SMARTWaste Canada tool, from the company level to projects. The company administrator is usually a project coordinator or an administrative assistant in the office. It is best to assign the company administrator to one person so that the creation of projects and users is consistent. Project users. These individuals can view and change project data in the system. Project users with no access to company information. These can view all data in the system except for company information. A typical user in this category would be waste haulers, who would only see data related to their role in the project. Read-only. These individuals can view company and project information, but cannot enter data. Read-only with no access to company information. These individuals can view information only, but cannot enter data. Adding users. The company administrator will want to add members of the project team as users. So to do this, go to the company menu and select Add or Edit Users. This will take you to your company homepage. On the far right of your screen, under the Users list, select Add. This will take you to the Add or Edit Users page, so you can add individuals to your SMARTWaste planning tool. You're allowed up to 10 users. To add a user, simply enter in the details in the required fields. Include the person's job title, first name, surname, email address, phone number, cell phone number, username, and password. Once that's done, you can select the appropriate user permissions from the drop-down menu. If you wish, you can also deselect the box indicating that we will send you additional product information. And finally, save the information you've entered by clicking on the Save button on the bottom. And the new user has been added. Subcontractor details. Next, let's enter information about subcontractors. Select Add and Edit Subcontractors from the company menu. You will then be taken to the Subcontractors page. Select Add, and then begin to enter the information about your subcontractor. Add the company name and the contact person's name. Then select the trade from the drop-down menu. Next, add the telephone number, email, office address, province, and postal code. Make sure you save the information. SMARTWaste Canada is designed so that you only add information about subcontractors once. Then it can be easily selected and added to elements of your plan, as we'll show later on in this tutorial. Waste management companies. Now we'll show you how to enter in information about waste management companies you work with. Go to the Company menu and select Add or Edit Waste Management Contractors. This will take you to the Add or Edit Waste Management Companies page. Select Add, and then begin to enter information about your subcontractor. Add the company name, office address, city, province, and postal code. Next, you must enter the location of the company's waste transfer license number. It's important to know where this information is kept. Now, select whether the waste company is a carrier, facility, or broker. You may check more than one box. And again, make sure you save the information. Now, because we've entered a waste carrier in the system, the SMARTWaste Canada tool will prompt you for information on the waste carrier license or licenses that the waste company holds. It's important to include all information about the license, including the waste carrier number, the issue date, and the expiry date. It's a good idea to scan the waste carrier license and file this copy electronically for future reference. The SMARTWaste Canada Planning tool allows you to link to the scanned copy of the license. The SMARTWaste Canada Planning tool is designed that you only add information about waste companies once. As you populate the software with information, it becomes a useful tool with all the information related to waste companies and sites at your fingertips. This becomes extremely valuable information throughout the life of your project.